Yeah, I guess I'm trendy indie.
What's up, everybody? Gonna be doing a video on oil change and filter on the 2020 Cadillac xt5 V6 3.6 liter motor. Let's go. Everybody, anytime you guys do any work, you want to make sure you have your car, the vehicle you're working on, truck, van, whatever. You want to make sure that you have the jack points right. You want to have jack stands as well before you start.
Came from wearing hand-me-downs to designer clocks, but I don't put my faith in riches with moss and rust damage. Yeah, for the money.
Alright, everybody. Once you have the vehicle up in the air or on your jack, in your jack stands, it's gonna be really simple. All you're gonna need is a 15mm. There's the drain plug bolt right there. There is your oil filter. There's a replacement oil filter. And you're gonna need some kind of oil filter tool, which is, there's many. So I normally use this one. You can use some big pliers. Sometimes it's typically use that. This kind. Yeah, definitely. So, let's get started.
Seems to be going away. Let's go give a lost soul some hope today. God's children done went astray, cause their minds in disarray, and they're out living their own way on a mission for commission. It don't last long, can't add nothing worried about this or the next day. Jesus said faith in him, it's gonna make a way. Why gain the world and lose your soul? My allegiance.
That's that right there.
Not regrets, yeah,
Right, so
paid the cost.
this is the oil filter up.
Roman said, I'm a foreign sinner from the womb.
You can get really messy, so be careful.
Yeah, he raised from the tomb. Yeah, guess I'm trending indie. You know, God, you staying with me. Keep a chrome tuck too. It's right with me. In the city,
so now I got the new
singing like it's Whitney.
oil filter.
Houston, but the beat knock. Some to its block.
If you got the right one, it's just gonna throw it on. Make sure that this exhaust pipe, you haven't driven the car this time, because it will burn your hand. So what I do is I always get another rag, kind of tighten it up because it gives you like more gripping power, and just do it by hand. But make sure that you do it all the way and tight as you can with your hand. You can't be any gap or else they'll be a slow oil leak and you'll blow the motor. So once I got that almost done, what I do is I go to here. Get it with my hand. And get that same 15 you had. Okay, now it's completely tight. I just do like maybe a half a quarter turn. That's it. So now that's tight. The oil drain plug is tight. I'm gonna go back to the oil filter and make sure we go all the way. How much? Okay, there. Okay, everybody, you want to make sure you use full synthetic oil. So what you could do is, if you don't trust like a YouTube channel or somebody, like an article online, or you don't have the owner's manual, what you should do is to find out how much oil you need. I put 6.1 quarts. So you start the motor after you add your amount of oil, and then stop the motor with the oil cap on, of course. Make sure you put that back on, and then you go over here to your oil dipstick, take it out, Then you're gonna want to wipe it down. Now this is with the motor off. Wipe it down, right? Wipe the tip of it down where it gets the measurement. Okay. Put it back in all the way down, and then pull it out, and that'll be your reading. Let's go, let's see. You guys probably can't see that, but it's full. And there it is right there, it's full. Okay. The next thing for us to do is reset the maintenance or the oil change light. So it says oil change soon. So we're gonna want to go to the eye right there and then go down. So I'm using this right here. Should have showed you guys. So I start right there in the beginning. I use these to toggle when I go to the eye. So I use this one right here to go to the eye, and then you go down or up until you find oil life, and then you press the select right here to reset it. And so are you sure you want to reset? You put yes. And there's your 100%. So just this is a really basic oil change. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment. God bless everybody. Jesus loves you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Bye.